It's another school day. I can't wait for the weekend. Me too. Any fun plans?
Maybe a movie night? Sounds good. Let's do it.
I go to church on Saturdays and I can only hang out on Sundays, but just for an hour or two.
What? Saturdays are for partying.
I go to church.
I'm a Seventh-day Adventist. We pray on Saturdays. What churches do you go to? My family goes to a local church on Sundays.
Who cares about church?
Ready for the test? I studied all night.
You'll both do great.
Ready for the test? I studied all night.
You'll...
Let's do this. I'm glad we are friends. Me too. We made many friends.
But some abandoned us because of our religious beliefs.
But who cares? Our religious beliefs and our different cultures makes us who we are.
Exactly. Let's just focus on what matters most.
I agree. Our friendship is what counts. Exactly. But who cares?
Stand still and I'll fix your tie. I am standing still.
You both look beautiful.
But you too.
Stand.
Who's ready for church?
Me. Let's say a short prayer before we arrive. Dear Lord, thank you for this beautiful day, for our family, and for guiding us. May we walk in your light today and always.